Hello friends, today we are going to talk about straight line method of depreciation. This method of depreciation works on the principle that equal amount of depreciation will be provided for during the entire tenure of the life of the machinery. So the syntax of this particular formula is SLN, and then the three variables which are used is cost, salvage value and life. So we assume that cost of machinery is 2 lakhs. Life of machinery is 10 years for which the depreciation to be provided for, and salvage value is 5,000. Salvage value is the value of machinery which is left after this 10 years are over. The formula for calculating straight line depreciation is cost minus salvage value divided by life of machinery. So simply we can also understand it from here. 2 lakh is the cost of machinery. So 2 lakh minus salvage price is 5,000. So it gives me 1,95,000, and when it is divided by the life of machinery, it gives me the depreciation price. So 19,500 is the depreciation which is going to be charged every year on this particular machinery, and the summation of that will be 1,95,000. And if 1,95,000 depreciation is charged and then the 5,000 is the residual value, we submit both of these, then we get the purchase price of the machinery, that is 2 lakhs. So let us try to work it out using the SLN method. So go to the insert function, choose the tab SLN, put the cost, put the salvage price and put the life. You get the depreciation amount to be 19,500, and then we will drag it. So for dragging it, we have to freeze the cells where the figures are constant figures are going to be used. So 19,500, and when we drag it, we get the 19,500 for the entire 10 years. So I hope you like this video. Thank you. Thanks for